Do you want to make your Facebook name stand out with a stylish font? Here's a quick and easy way to do it. If this helps, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more cool tips. Start by opening Google Chrome and searching for lingojam.com. Once you're on the site, type in your name in the box. You'll instantly see a variety of font styles appear. Scroll through and pick the one you like best. Some have boxes, cursive, or unique shapes. Tap on the one you like, copy it, and then head back to Facebook. Open your Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Go into Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under Account Center, tap See More. Then tap Your Profiles. Choose your profile and tap Name. Now tap on first name, delete the old name, and paste the stylish one you copied earlier. Hit save and you're done. Now your Facebook name has a brand new look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tricks. See you in the next one.